It doesn't taste as good as yours, even though it's the exact same recipe.
I know what you're missing. A Puronix water treatment system.
What does that do?
It removes hardness and reduces chlorine and chloramine from my tap water, contaminants that can make water taste and smell bad.
Tell me more.
Well, for starters, now that I don't have all that stuff in my water, my skin is softer and my hair is silkier. My laundry looks better and lasts longer, and I save money on soaps, lotions, and cleaning supplies. And then there's the fact that there's less scale buildup, so I extend the life of my plumbing and appliances like my washing machine, dishwasher, and water heater. And did I mention no more buildup on my shower doors?
No kidding.
And one more thing, you won't ever need to buy bottled water ever again.
Hi, Barbara. I bought the Puronix Terminator iGen Whole House Water Conditioner.
Great!
I love that it actually monitors and adjusts its filtration and softening functions on autopilot, so I don't have to do anything.
Yep, well, Puronix systems are known for high performance and reliability for sure. Puronix systems are independently tested and certified to NSF standards for performance and safety. And Puronix stands behind the product with a limited lifetime warranty.
Yes, my husband and I are very excited about the installation of our new Puronix system. We realize that the highest quality water is so essential for a person's health and well-being. I love that our family has access to high quality water for years to come.